Hi everybody, this is Tech Kev. Today I'm going to do a small guide on Windows 10 on how to remove or re-add your search bar in your taskbar, and also how you can remove the interest and news in your taskbar also. It was pretty random with an update of Windows. Now it appears on my taskbar. I didn't understand why. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So first of all, right click in your taskbar. In the search section, you will have three different options. Show search icon, so if you just want to see an icon. And also, if you just want to remove it, you can just press hidden. For my on my end, I prefer to see the search bar itself, so that's why I'm using it as a search bar. For now, the news and interest, it's pretty much the same concept. You just right click and you have a new option called news and interest. So you can just, like, if you want, press turn off, and you will remove your news and interest from your taskbar. So this is pretty much it, guys. Quick guide. If you have any question about it, your taskbar, just comment in the YouTube section. Post me your question. I will try to help you the best that I can. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Peace.